Ibi tó sì mí dé o Jésù, ìwọ nìkan ló yẹ kó lè yẹ nìkan. Ibi tí o sì tún mú mi ń lọ, ìwọ nìkan ló yẹ kó lè yẹ nìkan. Bójú wọlẹ̀ bẹ̀bẹ̀ mi túnbọ̀ máa ṣọ̀nà mi ní rere. Mo ti di ọmọ o, mo ti di ọmọ o, ó di ọmọ o, túnbọ̀ máa ṣọ̀nà mi ní rere. Múṣẹ́ o láyé mi o, múṣẹ́ o á tóbi jù, wá múṣẹ́ o Ọlọ́run ìgbàlà, ìlérí ayọ̀ rere tó ṣe. Múṣẹ́ o láyé mi o, múṣẹ́ o á tóbi jù, wá múṣẹ́ o Ọlọ́run ìgbàlà, ìlérí ayọ̀ rere tó ṣe. Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí bí ìṣe rẹ nínú ayé mi. Afọ́jú gbọ́ tó sì ríran, tádìtì gbọ́ tó sì gbọ́ràn, tí arọ gbọ́ tó fò fayọ̀. Ọlọ́run wá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí rẹ sáyé mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe rẹ Olúwa. Ọlọ́run wá ṣàánú mi o, mo ti di rọmọ o, mo ti di rọmọ o, ó di rọmọ o. Bàbá wa fọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe yanu sí i. Á jẹ́ kí gbàlà mi kọjá mi lọ, dàgbà mi padà fún mi o. Mú ìgbàlà rẹ wọnú ilé mi, Ọlọ́run mi ṣàánú mi o. Mú ìgbàlà rẹ wọnú ayé mi, pàṣẹ ìgbédìde rẹ Olúwa. Fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi. Jésù kó wá fọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe yanu. Fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi. Jésù kó wá fọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe yanu sí i. Ohun ọ̀tá gbàdánù lọ́wọ́ mi nípa ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi, wá wọn rí o, dá wọn padà fún mi o. Bàbá kan tún di ìlò fógo rẹ, má jẹ́ ń jìn sí kòtò ayé, ẹlẹ́dàá mi ṣẹ̀ẹ́nú mi o. Fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi. Jésù kó wá fọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe yanu. Fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi, fàánú yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ mi. Jésù kó wá fọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe yanu sí i.
wasting time. I thought we would do ODOGBOLU Hospital, but you called me, you said you would come. I'm very grateful. I appreciate all the officiating ministers. If I don't come to the church enough, they are also claiming me as a boss, but I will find a way around it. I want to greet all the APC family here. APC! AP and say. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate my son, my political son, the executive chairman of ODOGBOLU, Dr. Babatunde, my councillor, even though he's not feeling too strong. The new executives that passed through the funnel of fire of the Congress. I greet all of you. I greet you. Are you here? The new winners, the new women. I greet all the GSC officers. I warmly and especially greet you. Thank you for coming. I greet my family. They came all the way from Lagos, my sisters, my cousins. I greet all of you. If I have not mentioned names one by one, don't be offended. But I appreciate all of you coming. I must say I've been counting down on this day. And I was praying that I will have a very smooth landing. Because when you are crossing over from the 6th level to the 7th level, a lot of things will happen to your body. And then, you know me, I'm very active. So when people start acting like Bekele Odogbolu, I will be like, this old age is very easy. So, but I refuse to give in to those pains. The pains will come, but I pretend as if they are not there. And I cannot hear the sound of God now. I will not jump from fence. I will jump so that the God will not go astray. We do not pray for God. We thank you all, and I pray that all of you will have Johnny Mercy Zone.